Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Wonder Lake, or near McHenry, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fox Lake and Pistakee Highlands around 8:10 p.m. Round Lake Beach, Round Lake, Antioch, Lake Villa, Long Lake, Volo, and Channel Lake around 8:15 p.m. Grave Lake, Lindenhurst, Round Lake Park, Venetian Village, and Third Lake around 8:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Gurnee, Gages Lake, Grandwood Park, Waukegan, Wadsworth, Zion, Beach Park, and Park City. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado